Well, hello guys and welcome back to another video with Stone Rider here, and today it will be a little bit of a different intro. I'm here looking at this beautiful view here, which I will show you in a minute, but today's topic of the video will be: should you buy a used or a new bike? Which is a pretty interesting topic, and I will go over some interesting points in this video, so stay tuned. But let me firstly show you the view. So here we got our beautiful Yamaha Phaser in all of its glory right there. And there we have it, guys, a beautiful view. But yeah guys, look at this view right here. Okay, so should you buy a new bike or a used bike? Now, if you are looking for a quick answer, both of those things should be amazing for you. It doesn't matter whether you get a used bike or a new bike, it just matters that you get a bike. So it doesn't matter what kind of bike, it doesn't matter if it's used or new. But I will go over some things that I think that you should consider when you are asking yourself if you should buy a new or used bike. And the first thing that I think that you should ask yourself is, do you have the money to afford a new bike? And maybe you would say yes, but I don't mean to just buy a bike. I really mean to maintain it, new tires, of course the maintenance, oil changes, stuff like this. You have to have the money to kind of maintain your bike. And if you don't, maybe just buy used. Now, of course, buying new does have some advantages. If you like having 0 miles on the clock, you know, it's pretty cool to have 0 miles and that you are a first owner. And yeah, it's pretty cool feeling to have that you are the first person who sat on that bike, right? If you're buying a new bike, of course. But there are obviously some downsides to it, and like I said, the new bike will cost you way more than used bike would. Obviously you are purchasing that premium feeling that I was talking about earlier, but also just the maintenance, right? At least when I bought my new bike, which was KTM Duke 125, when I just got my A1 license in Europe here, I bought a brand new KTM Duke 125 and it was an awesome feeling. I really love that bike, but you know, it wasn't all sunshine and rainbows, right? I hit my 1000 kilometers in the first week, and then I needed to take it to the dealership so that they can do a service on it, and it cost me a pretty penny for a 125cc, you know. And my bike was also limited to 70 kilometers per hour for the first 1000 kilometers on the dashboard, right? So it isn't all sunshine and rainbows if you're buying a new bike. But I think that if you have the money, and I think that if you want that kind of premium feeling to it, I think that you might be better off buying new bike, obviously. Okay, but now let's get to the used bikes, which I think that for at least your first bike, you should buy probably used. There is a high chance of you crashing it, and hopefully I don't mean that you wrecked your bike at, I don't know, 200 kilometers per hour, but there is a high chance of you kind of falling with your bike at lower speeds. And also I think that in general the used bikes are value for your money that you are getting, right? Take this bike right here. It is by no means a new bike, 2002, and it's still driving. It has 51,000 kilometers on it, and it drives absolutely perfectly with no issues at all. Obviously there is a maintenance, but that is with every bike, and it cost me 600 euros. And I think This is the biggest selling point of used bikes. Yes, you are not getting all of your comforts and features. You will not going to be the coolest guy with used bike, but man, I think that the value for money is with used bikes. Don't get me wrong, new bikes absolutely awesome, love them. I would really love to get a Ducati Panigale or Street Fighter new one day, but I will not gonna lie, I think that I might regret that decision unless I will have a lot of money. New bikes, awesome if you have lots of money, and awesome if you really kind of chase that premium feeling, but I think that the value for money is with used bikes all the time. Like I said, I got this Yamaha Phaser for 600 euros, which is pretty cheap, not gonna lie, and it still drives amazing. Does it look the coolest? No, honestly not. Does it perform better than new bikes? No, it doesn't. Does it have all the features and comforts? No, it doesn't. It doesn't have ABS, which honestly, props to the new bikes, they have the ABS, but honestly I think that the value for money it is with used bikes all the time. There is also another thing that you might have to consider when buying used or new. Like I said, you will probably wreck it, even if you don't, but if you do, you will be much more glad that you wrecked this Yamaha for 600 euros than if you'd wreck your brand new Ducati Panigale or brand new, I don't know, Yamaha MT-09, something like that. You will be much more glad that you wrecked this bike than if you would wreck the other one. Why? Well, firstly, you paid pretty penny for the new bike. Secondly, the repair cost will be much less for the old bike or used bike, right? We are going here to some beautiful roads here. Look at the view here, guys. Absolutely stunning view. I'm actually going to the destination that you saw me in the intro of this video, so... But look at that. Look at that view, guys. Holy smokes. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at it. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at this view. So with that said, I really thank you guys for watching here. Please subscribe, like and comment on this video, and also we do sell some pretty cool motorcycle streetwear on the Emvorix. All the links will be down in the description below. And yeah, like I said, thank you guys for watching, and we'll be seeing you in another one. Bye guys.